So this is the living room area. These don't come with the house. Sorry, it's a little messy. I'm trying to edit my videos and stuff. And so we have our TV here. And then we have a little island, which is kind of like, it serves as the dining table. So here's a kitchen. We have a whole bunch of storage cabinets and stuff. The fridge is over there. You know, microwave, oven, the sink here. Yeah, everything came with the apartment. Dishwasher, more cabinets, and then here we have the pantry. Stock up on toilet paper and paper towels and stuff. And then here is the bathroom for downstairs. You have a shower and tub, just like that. Toilet. We installed that little shelf over there. It's pretty cute. And then, yeah, just a sink. Deza's refrigerator for her products. More cabinets. So this door goes to the second bedroom down here. So we'll just go this way. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of doors on this side of the house. There's like 5 doors. So this is just like a coat closet. We have our coats and bags and stuff. So this is the storage, another storage under the stairs, mostly just the dog stuff. Yeah, so they have their food and some of their clothes and treats, and then our shoes are in here too. And then this is the second bedroom, or the bathroom down here. No one really stays here, but Deza has her vanity. This is where she does her makeup in the morning and stuff. And we got a nice little decor up there. Side table, just an extra table that we use if we need to use it. That's Deza's little light. That's not for me. And then here we got walk-in closet. It's pretty big. Pretty much just junk in here, and another light, and more lights over there. And this is the door to the bathroom. Hi.
Hi.
You guys didn't calm down yet, or what? Okay. On to the upstairs. So here we have a little entryway table, some pictures, and now we go upstairs. So up here, we got the loft. It's my desk over here, and then there's Deza's. We've been working from home, so yeah. And then we have we got some shelves here on the wall. We got our corduroy beanbag, and then this is the laundry area. Yeah, we're doing laundry right now. Yeah, so the corduroy opens up. If you take it out, it can serve as a king-size bed. And this is when you come up to the stairs, linen closet. There's a lot of closets in this apartment, which is nice. Oh, and then we got this nice window. You know, a lot of light comes, and it's nice because high ceiling. You can see from down there. Hi. It makes the place so much bigger because it's, you know, high ceiling.
Press the button.
Oh, and then you can control it here. So we're down. Shades go down. Fancy. Alright, stop. Let's open it up again. Okay, so this is the bedroom upstairs, which is our bedroom. The bed. She's got some side tables. Our shelf up there with our projector. And then just where we watch our, you know, YouTube and movies and stuff. And then we got the dresser, and then this is where the dogs sleep. And then the bathroom. We have the bathroom here. It's just a shower. And then we got the big mirror and our double sinks, which is nice. And then when you go around here, the toilet is over here. There's my bidet that I installed a couple weeks ago. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we got our closet here. Nice little walk-in closet. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That is our apartment here in Las Vegas. Then the fridge.
Hey! Wait, no. Stop it.
So here we have the kitchen area. We have. So here we have the kitchen. Kahit